Hi guys, it's Lana here. Today I want to show you some formal hairstyles. You can use this for proms, weddings, anything you can think of really. I recently went to a Bridgerton themed ball and a tutorial video like this would have been absolutely perfect for me when I went to that. If you have an occasion coming up, let me know what it is in the comment section down below. I'm really curious. For this video, I don't use anything crazy, just some headbands, hair clips, a few little hair accessories, and of course some hair ties and bobby pins. So let's get stuck in. So I'm working on freshly washed hair because I feel like that's the easiest to work with for me. So I'm going to leave 2 pieces of hair at the front of my face to frame my face, and then I'm separating 2 medium-sized chunks of hair at the side of my head. I'm then going to bring those together at the back, but I'm just going to twist them slightly. So I find that it works best if you twist them towards each other and then secure them at the back of your head with a barrette. So a barrette is just basically a pretty chunky hair clip, and I find that they look really classy. So this is just a really simple look that can really elevate your style and just look really formal depending on what kind of barrette you use. I went with one with pearls, and if you want to accessorize even more, I'm using these little diamante studs, and I just feel like it looks quite ethereal when you do that. For the next hairstyle, I'm just going to shake all of that out and start fresh. So I'm going to start at the top of my head and I'm going to start twisting my hair. It's kind of like a flat twist. And I'm going to bring pieces of hair in from each side and add it to this twist. So I'm going to bring pieces in from the right side and then from the left side. And when you get really good at this, you don't even really think of it as bringing pieces of hair in. You're just kind of wrapping your hair around and bringing hair in as you go along. So you can end up doing this really quickly. So for me, I find it easier to just not even think about it. I just wrap my hair up, and you just want to make sure you're holding it tight until you can secure it with some bobby pins. So I slide the bobby pins into kind of the nook that you create underneath the twist, and just make sure that you secure it as much as you want to. You don't really want this shuffling around too much, so I slid quite a few bobby pins in there, and then it should feel nice and secure like this. So you could leave it like that if you want to, but I feel like this looks nicest when it's accessorized. So I'm going to go ahead and add some pearls, or maybe even this big flower. It's completely up to you. Okay, so we're starting fresh again. I'm gonna leave out some hair to frame my face, and I'm gonna take the 2 sides of my hair and leave them out while I tie up the rest. Then with these 2 sides, I'm gonna bring those down, make sure they're nice and smooth and fairly sleek looking, but I don't wanna use a brush for this. So I'm just gonna tie that down like this, leaving all of the natural bumps and waves of my curls intact, because I just love that added texture, and I feel like it actually looks really nice in comparison to something really sleek. So then I'm going to dot these gems along the crown of my head and kind of create a faux headband. So these slides, they actually stay in my hair because I've tied it, but if you want something that's a little bit more secure, then you could use the little ones with the little spring on. Very, very Y2K. I remember wearing those to school discos and stuff, and I can't wait to get my hands on some again. If you prefer to wear an actual headband, then I'm gonna take a headshie. If you didn't already know, headshie is my brand, and I just love them. I think they look so cute. So this is my headshie. It's a headband and a scrunchie in one. For this next hairstyle, guess what? I'm gonna leave the front pieces of my hair out, and I'm gonna take out the side pieces. I feel like that's kind of a running theme in this video. And then I'm just gonna tie this top section at the back into a scrunchie. I've actually clipped the rest of my hair out of the way because it really helps to not let this get tangled. So once that's tied and secure, then I'm going to bring in these side pieces and I'm going to tie those together in a scrunchie as well at the back of my head, just slightly lower than that first ponytail. And then you should have these 2 ponytails. So I'm going to take that lower one and I'm going to flip that up to create a kind of twist. I actually don't know what you call this. So if you know, drop it in the comment section, but I just kind of call it a flipped up twisted ponytail. And I'm going to do that twice so that the twist is really pronounced. So then I'm going to lift that and I'm going to twist it to the side so that I can create this kind of loop. And then I'm going to bring that first ponytail through the loop. You guys can slow that down and replay it if you want to, but it's actually really easy and it makes this really pretty little twist that you can accessorize if you want to. So I added those gems again, or you could add things into the twist itself, which are really flattering. I just want to say quickly, if you're enjoying this video, please thumbs it up. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Also, consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so that you don't miss my weekly uploads. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to leave out the front pieces of my hair and a few extras as well to make sure that this look looks very kind of effortless and quite flowy. And then I'm going to start clipping my hair kind of to one side. So I'm running a bunch of bobby pins and it's going to section off my hair to one side, like this. So then I'm going to grab all of my hair and I'm going to start twisting it away from the side that's bobby pinned. So I'm kind of twisting it outwards and down. I'm going to keep doing that until it starts kind of twisting up onto itself, and then I'm going to keep twisting. I'm going to twist it nice and tightly and start spinning that upwards like this. I'm also bringing down some hair at the nape of my neck to continue with that flowy, effortless look, and I'm going to clip up the rest of my hair right up at the top as well. This is also very Y2K, especially with my curls just springing around like this. I really love the look and I just wanted to finish things up by adding a few more of those gems again. Another running theme of this video. So that's the look. I definitely wanted to include an up look in this video and I'm really happy with how this turned out. Let me know which one of these hairstyles was your favorite in the comment section down below. I'm really interested to see which one is the most popular. Was it the barrette? Was it the headband? Or was it the twist? Or maybe it was the knot at the back of your head? Let me know. And also don't forget to let me know which occasion you've got planned. Are you going to prom this year? Do you have a wedding? Oh my gosh, I have so many weddings this year. Or maybe there's no special occasion and you're just watching this video just because you like hairstyles. Whatever it is, let me know and it helps me plan future videos. Also, let me know your video suggestions in the comment section down below. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful week and I will see you in the next video. Bye.